All of our Chromebooks come with some great built-in accessibility tools, including the ability to use handwriting, both cursive and block writing, for input in any field that could take typed input, whether it be a web address or part of a Google document or any other place where you would normally type in text. Using the Chromebooks accessibility tools, you can handwrite instead, because we all have, both students and teachers have touchscreen Chromebooks. This is a really helpful way to get us getting the students to practice with their handwriting, especially their cursive, even when they are working on the computer, typing reports or doing vocabulary lists or what have you. So you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner of your monitor, at the bottom where the shelf is, where it has all some of your pinned applications, and in the right-hand corner you'll see the time and your Wi-Fi and everything. Well, part of that, you'll see it says US, for United States, is input methods. And if you click on input methods, you see that one of the options is handwriting. When you click on the handwriting option, a little the bottom third or so of your screen turns into a space where you can now handwrite. Using a stylus or your finger, you can handwrite text, and the Chromebook will automatically turn it into typed text. It's a great way to test whether or not your handwriting skill is good enough for a computer to recognize what you're writing. And if it is, then that means you're close to doing well with your handwriting. It's a really cool feature, and you'll see here that I'm using it in Google Docs to write a list of words out, and you'll see that I try to write in cursive, but sometimes I just get ahead of myself. And um, you can see here it works in the Google Docs. It also works in Google Slides. Here I'm writing an entire sentence using the handwriting input. You'll notice I kind of got ahead of myself and started writing in block letters and then went to cursive. While we don't want the students to do that, it's interesting to note that the program has no problem switching between the two. It also works in other applications. Here I'm using Book Creator. A lot of us have used this before and used it with our students to make fun books, graphics, and things like that included. But one of the things you can do, like I have here in my example, rather than typing out, I wonder why trees change color in the fall, I can handwrite it at the bottom and it turns it into text. Right? I don't have enough room to write the entire sentence. I can hit the little blue enter button and it takes me down to the next line of text and I can continue writing. So all in all, this is just a great little built-in accessibility tool in your Chromebooks to have the kids practice more and more with their handwriting, especially with their cursive. So thanks so much for watching.